Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Somaid Iqbal, Department of Microbiology, BS 7th semester, Guwahati University of Science and Technology. Today my topic of presentation is immunological tolerance and autoimmunity. This is the article from where I made my whole presentation. And this article was published in the Journal of International and Emergency Medicine in 2006. These are the contents of my presentation. First of all, I will introduce immunity, types of immunity, immunological tolerance, what is autoimmunity, causes, autoimmunity disorders, list of disorders, summary, and their references. So first of all, what is immunity? Immunity is the capability of multicellular organism to resist harmful microorganism. Simply, it is a defense system. Any antigen which enter the human body and the system which work against these antigen is called immunity, is called immune system. It is the body ability to prevent the invasion of pathogen. Pathogen are foreign disease causing substances such as bacteria, viruses, and people are exposed to them every day. Every time our body is exposed to different type of antigen that cause disease, but our immune system work against these antigen. Immunity involves both specific and non-specific components. There are two type of immunity. One is specific and the other is non-specific. Non-specific immunity is also known as innate immunity, which repel all microorganisms equally. It is a generation to generation immunity, which may be genetically passed on from one generation to another generation. It includes first line of defense. इस पूरे सिस्टम को हम आर्मी के सिस्टम से भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. जिस तरह आर्मी में लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस होते हैं, इस तरह हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम में भी लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस होते हैं. सो नॉन स्पेसिफिक इम्यूनिटी में फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस आता है, एंड दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्किन एंड म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन. Skin is the first and strong barrier to pathogen. Second line of defense that are composed of phagocytic cells that are macrophages, neutrophil, and dendritic cell. Specific immunity. Specific immunity is also known as adaptive immunity, is a specialized immunity for specific pathogen. Specific immunity is composed of specialized systematic cell and processes that eliminate pathogen. Resistance acquired by individual during life means birth to death. It includes third line of defense that consists of T helper cells, T cytotoxin cells, and B cells. Immunological tolerance. It is a state of unresponsiveness of the immune system to substances that have the capability to elicit an immune response in a given organism. We know that if any antigen which enter in our body, then our immune system will generate immune responses. If antigen is non-safe, then our immune system will generate immune responses. But if antigen is self, then our immune system will not generate immune responses. That is called immunological tolerance. There are two type of immunological tolerance. One is central tolerance, and the other is peripheral tolerance. Central tolerance refers to the deletion of self-reactive T and B cells during their maturation in the central lymphoid organ. We know that T cell are mature in thymus, while B cell maturation occur in bone marrow. In central tolerance, if our T cell is reactive to self antigen, मतलब जब हमारे टी सेल सेल्फ एंटीजन के लिए रिएक्टिव होता है, तो सेंट्रल टोलेरेंस में या तो इसकी मेचुरेशन स्टॉप हो जाती है उस टी सेल की, या फिर उसकी एपोप्टोसिस के जरिए डेथ हो जाती है. इसी तरह अगर बी सेल हमारे सेल्फ एंटीजन के लिए रिएक्ट होता है, तो या तो उसकी मेचुरेशन स्टॉप हो जाती है या फिर उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. तो ये हो गया सेंट्रल टोलेरेंस. पेरिफेरल टोलेरेंस, it takes place in the immune periphery after T and B agrees from the after T and B cell agrees from the primary lymphoid organ. Its purpose is to ensure that self-reactive T and B cells, which escape central tolerance, do not cause autoimmune disease. So, what is autoimmunity? A misdirected immune responses that occurs when the immune system goes our way and attack the body itself. ऑटो इम्यूनिटी में इम्यून सिस्टम मिसडायरेक्टेड होता है या तो जेनेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की वजह से हमारे इम्यूनिटी में वही हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम में चेंजेस आते हैं या फिर अगर बॉडी में कोई इन्फेक्शन हो तो वो इन्फेक्शन कुछ ऐसे केमिकल रिलीज करता है जिससे हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम कंफ्यूज हो जाता है कि ये सेल्फ है या नॉन सेल्फ एंटीजन है। तो इसी वजह से वो अपने बॉडी की जो टिश्यू होते हैं वो उस पर अटैक करते हैं, सेल्फ एंटीजन पे अटैक करते हैं। Or immunity, your immune system does not distinguish between healthy tissue and potentially harmful antigen. As a result, a body set of reaction that destroy normal tissue. If there is too little immunity, then it is called immunodeficiency. If there are too much immunity, then it is called hypersensitivity. But if our immune system is misdirected, then it is called autoimmunity. These are the causes of autoimmunity. फर्स्ट cause is failure of the immunological tolerance. जब हमारा immunological tolerance फेल हो जाता है और हमारा immune system सेल्फ एंटीजन के लिए रिएक्ट हो जाता है तो उस काज में हमें ऑटो इम्यूनिटी उस केस में हमें ऑटो इम्यूनिटी डिसऑर्डर हो सकती है। जेनेटिक्स आर आल्सो इन्वॉल्व, इन्फेक्शंस, environment, nutrition, autoantibody production. List of autoimmunity disorders: rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease. It is a condition that causes the digestive system to become inflamed. Multiple sclerosis. It is a disease of brain and spinal cord. Type 1 diabetes mellitus. This is a condition in which our immune system take an insulin productive cell in pancreas. Psoriasis. It is a skin disorder that causes skin cell to multiply faster than the normal rate. Vasculitis, the immune system the immune system attack and damage blood vessel. And the last one is grave disease. Test that diagnose autoimmune disease. No single test can diagnose most autoimmune diseases. Your doctor will use a combination of tests and a review of your symptoms and physical combination examination to diagnose you. The anti-nuclear antibody test is often one of the first tests that doctors use when symptoms suggest an autoimmune disease. A positive test means you may have one of these diseases, but it won't confirm exactly which one you have or if you have one of for sure. A positive ANA means anti-nuclear antibody test may be indicative of an autoimmune disease. Your doctor can use your symptoms and other tests to confirm diagnosis. These are the summaries. Immunity composed of specific and non-specific. Autoimmunity breakdown and self-tolerance. Multiple causes that are genetic, infection, and nutrition. Majority are caused by autoantibody production. Immunodeficiency. If there are too little immunity, then it is called immunodeficiency. Hypersensitivity. If there are high immunity, if there are too high immunity, then it is called hypersensitivity. Anti-nuclear anti-nuclear antibody tests are used when symptoms suggest an autoimmune disease. These are the references: immunological tolerance or autoimmunity from the Journal of International Emergency Medicines. Thanks.